Okay, hello traders. Just a very quick video here on the live trading video here. It's still not on here from the Master Markets Interest Conference and Traders Open Day. So we got a trade over here where we had looked at this retracement here, and then we had placed our entries and stop losses accordingly. Entries on the blue line, on the red line is where the initial stop loss is, and here is where our target is. Exit is always very important. It's where you realize your profits and losses. So currently right now, as you can see, we're just up a little bit profit of about £50 where the trade is going by itself and you're not doing any work on it, but at least monitoring it, which is the most important. Remember that this is still an unrealized loss. It is still not your profit yet. So you must be very aware of how you're going to manage it and where the profit target is and where the exit is. In terms of this, where we're really looking at the exit, we looked at a few things. One is that we looked at the ATR over here, which says 77, 66, and then it says 65. So 77 was the last one over the last 10 days. Remember traders that any of these terminologies that you're unaware of or not sure, please go and look at our Trader Starter Pack 5-part video series where we've compressed over 10-12 years of research into really some quality videos. Alright? Right, so in terms of the range, 77 is what we got, but in terms, this is for the 10 days, but if you look at also the 3-day average, this bar range, which was designed by one of our trading clients, the bar range you can read over here is 133, this one is 111, and this one is 66. If I divide that by 3 days, then that would come to about 82. Actually, let's do it together. So if we did 133, let's just get the calculator up. So if we had 133 plus the 111 over here plus the 66, and we divided that by 3, that's about 103, is it not, traders? I think this is 66, that's right. So average true range for 3 days is 103, whereas for the 10 days is 77. So what we would usually do in a case like that, because exit is so important and critical in this game, is because where you get your realized profits from. So what we would then do, traders, is that we would probably take the smaller of that. We would take the 1 ATR rather than doing a 0.8 of that. So that's what we have done. We've put our target at 77 pips, and we will let that ride, and we'll see how that carries on to be. Okay, and we follow our plan, and we'll trade our stop loss accordingly. Okay, all right. I'll pause the video here, and we'll see how the trade carries on to be. Okay, traders, so as you can see, the trade has now progressed and it's very near to our target over here. So we're just a little bit up, about 150 pounds over here on this particular trade. So now what we are then looking, we still haven't hit our target yet because of spreads and so forth, so on. So we will still have to trail it accordingly. So the high is 3282. So we would then trail it to 3283 on the high, and then on the with spreads as well. So 3284 is what we will be trailing it to. So all you need to do is just get that in here, 3284, and then modify it and so on and so forth. I mean, some of you may be thinking, oh, Tiru is so near, just pull it out anyway. But you see, if you were to do that on the small trade, then sometimes if it's 1 pip away, 2 pips away, or 5 pips away, you might carry on that habit forward. Whatever that you may do, just do it consistently. That is my recommendation, and that's how we do it, because how you do one thing is how you do everything. And that's how we should be as traders as well, okay? So, let's see how this trade progresses, and if it hits our target or not. We will see how it does as it goes near to our target. It's very near at the moment. It's just about 1.5 pips, but I will leave it to run and I will update you guys on how it goes. Okay, traders, as you can see now, the trade has progressed. It's hit our target here, which is the green line. Here is where we entered. Initial stop loss was there, and then which we then trail to the high of this bar, and then we then hit our target. And then you can see over here 3262, that was what was hit, we banked in about 170. So far for this month, we've taken about 4 trades, and that's amounting to 673 pounds. Okay, so that's how we do this. Just showing you an example of how we are doing it, just on very small number of instruments. You can scale it to many instruments as well, and that's what we're going to be expanding onto as well. Of course, if any of you got any other questions, you can always do a one-to-one with us or watch our video series as well. We are here to help you progress on your journey to get towards consistent performance and towards trading as a confident trader with absolute conviction in the markets. Okay, right, I guess that's pretty much what I have for now, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.